Big tech companies are paying millions of dollars to people you probably haven't heard of. Mark Zuckerberg just pulled a major move. He hired one of OpenAI's top brains, Chengza Zhao, to run Meta's new superintelligence lab. But why they are paying so much money for one person? And most importantly, can you or I ever become someone like him? Let's break this down. Right now, companies like OpenAI, DeepMind, Meta, they all are in a race to build the smartest AI ever. They all want to crack AGI, artificial general intelligence, which means a AI that is as smart as or smarter than a human being in pretty much anything. But here's the thing, it's not just about giant data center or fancy GPUs. It all comes down to people, brilliant researchers who can push the limits of what's possible. Look at ChatGPT or Gemini. These models weren't made by thousands of coders. They were made by small teams of genius researchers. That's why Mark Zuckerberg didn't just spend billions on servers. He went straight for the talent, people like Shengja Zhao. But does this mean that person got $10 million straight in his bank account? Not really. Let me explain. In big tech, pay is split in three parts: a high base salary, big signing bonus, and company stocks. First, a highly paying salary, 200 or 500 grands a year. Second, a big signing bonus, sometimes over a million. And the biggest part, company stocks. It can be 5 million, 10 million, or even more. But it comes slowly over 4 years and only few stakes. So when you hear 10 million package, it's not like winning the lottery overnight. It spreads out and mostly depends on company's stock price also. So how do they hire someone like Zhao? He doesn't send a CV or wait for the HR's reply. Usually, companies reach out directly, sometimes through mutual contacts or industry events. Then there's a bunch of deep interviews about research, ideas, and how they will lead the team. And so, for a role like this, there is usually a private chat with the top bosses, maybe even the Mark Zuckerberg himself. It's not just here's your salary and come join us. It's about what kind of lab you want to build, who you want to hire, and what's your vision. So now let's talk about who is Shengja Zhao. You know about OpenAI, right? He is one of the brains behind OpenAI's big language models. He's got a PhD from Stanford, wrote many research papers on AI, and worked on the tech that power tools like ChatGPT. What makes him special is that he doesn't just write code. He comes up with new ideas for how these models can be better, safer, and more powerful. And Meta wants that kind of brain to lead their superintelligence team. When Meta hired Zhao, Mark Zuckerberg himself posted about it on Threads, which is pretty rare. He doesn't do that for every new hire, and that shows how big a deal this is. Zhao doesn't post much online, he's not an influencer type, but in the research world, everyone noticed, and they know this changes the game. So, why did Meta pick him? Well, let's see what he brings. First, deep research about language models, which is the backbone of modern AI. Second, he has published research papers, and no, he is not limited to ideas. He built real systems, leadership that attracts smart people to work in his team, and he got solid credentials from top universities, top conferences, and he is respected in the community. Put this all together, and you get someone who is super hard to replace. So, can you be the next Zhao? Maybe not overnight, but yes, you can aim for that level. And let me explain. First, get your basics right: math, coding, stats. First, get your basics right: math, coding, stats. Learn how AI works and not just use it. Second, do real projects. Publish your work, share it on GitHub, and write blog posts. Third, try to do research. Work with professors, join competitions, or contribute on open source projects. Next, network. Join AI groups, attend conference, and talk to people. And remember, don't just copy tutorials. Think for yourself, solve real problems, and come up with new ideas. That's what these big labs want. People who create, not repeat. Finally, never stop learning. What's new today is old tomorrow. So stay hungry for the knowledge.